Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com. Just woke up, kind of sick, couldn't do anything earlier. Just heard this and then I just opened the trade and start dropping fast, and my SL is at break even now. Let me just remove this from here, and I see it was here. Now I moved it here. Market is very chaotic right now, moving very fast. Some big moves yesterday, and so I should be careful. See the Euro USD. I was expecting that it's gonna drop, but it dropped without giving me any setup. And now this is the first setup that I got. So I took it. I also took the USD CAD long. So I'm gonna show you later on. Let me just go refresh a little bit and then eat something, and I'll come back and then I'll update you. But Euro USD is now the first trade that I'm recording, and it's going down. I didn't want it to touch the anything last night because it was like first day. My broker opened the first day, and it was very chaotic and it's big moves without any reason. So you want to be staying away. So this is right now going down, and I got in, and I might go and do some entries in the upcoming Asian session as well, because just the beginning of the year, and then after a few days holidays, and people came and they're like kind of hungry, and then market may move. But I really need my setup before I do anything. That's why it's a lot of things drop. The yen pairs drop big time, but just like this, without any setup. So for me, no trade. So this is the first one that I got in, and the second one is USD CAD long. See what happens. USD is bouncing, USD getting strong, and that's why. All right, so I'll just go to the bathroom and then go back to the kitchen and eat something and then come back. Okay. All right. I'll be back. Hello, everyone. Sam here again with updates. This is the one that I was talking about earlier, USD CAD. I took the same time as Euro USD. This is long, Euro USD short. Where's the Euro USD? I just woke up now. I'm pretty good. I'm drinking my tea now, so I'm okay. But most of the, I mean, London session is closed just now a little bit, so it's okay. My entry time is, maximum. It's like around 11:30. So I was right at the edge, but I may make entries later on in London session, I think. Not London, sorry, Asian session. But let's see. You see this, the year just started, so things may move. I'm going to take my chances. I earlier took one entry, by the way. I forgot to mention first. EUR-AUD, as I mentioned, put it on the Telegram as well. I'll show you later. So, but that I lost that entry at break even. Okay. So just like this one, so it moves a little bit, then I come and sit on a break even. You don't want to take a chances. So this is Euro USD, and this is USD CAD the opposite direction to the long side. But why? Right. So this USD, I made this chart US dollar index on the 24th December, right? In the last week of December, that this dropped big time here, and somewhere here it's gonna, bounce and go up. While it's going up, the USD gonna get a strong end. These four pairs will go down, and these three pairs will go up. Okay, that was the idea, and this idea so far is doing. Not this. Where's the USD? Come on, man. Here, you see that? So it came down a little bit last night. So that's the confusion that they try to create, right? And get everybody to the wrong side. But I knew that this thing is going to go up. So I was like, okay, go, buddy. You want to go down? Go down. I'm not with you. When you go up, I'll be with you, right? So this thing start to go up, start to get strong, and Euro USD start to go down, but it went down without the setup, so there was no entry until now, and the USD CAD going to the upside. Okay, and because of this, I also made this chart: the USD like this, and then Euro like this. See, the Euro index supposed to go down, and Euro index is doing how now? Let me show you. euro index is coming down nicely. See that? It started already. So euro USD has a lot to drop. And obviously, when USD is getting weaker, the euro Aussie, my first entry got shot last night, but more to come because euro is going to drop, then euro Aussie will go down. Euro USD, euro yen, probably, right? And similar things will happen. So yeah, I made this a new chart that okay, if not that this is like this level. I wrote down here that below this is a downside, right? So it went up a little bit to the next level, which was his oh 07. This is 0726, right? So it went down, went up there, and then now coming down, right? So if it continue, then I'll have something in my hand. If not, I'm sitting on those two trades that I just took. I'm sitting on a break even. All right. So I'm going to go down and see if I can find something else and get ready for Asian session. All right. So I'll be back with updates. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. After 6 hours almost, I opened these trades around 11 a.m. in the morning on January 3rd, and it is 5:30 in the evening right now. And both of these trades are just not moving. Well, they moved a little bit, but not as I was expecting. So big moves happen just today early in the Asian session and the London session, and then it gets quiet now. So let's see. I'm gonna still hold these trades. This is USD CAD, maybe like 45, 50 pip positive. And Euro USD, I showed you earlier when I made the entry. So it came down, went up, and then now going down a little bit. Probably 10 pip, my SL is 10 pip risk. So I'm going to hold on to it because it is based on this chart that I was expecting that US dollar index is going to bounce, and it is bouncing very nicely. And if it is going to start bouncing, keep bouncing, then I will have a nice trades. See this? It is, US dollar index is bouncing. And if it goes up, it is already above 1247, which is a good sign that it's going up. And if it can go easily to 1426 or this low here, whatever it is. So if that goes, these four pairs will continue going down, and these three pairs will continue to go to the upside. And I have short here and long here, so I'm good. And I'm going to hold on to it. And let's see what happens, right? A few more hours and see the next day start, but I'll probably still hold and look for short GU, AU, or a long EUJ also. Okay. Yen pairs are too wild right now. Let's see if they sell down a little bit and then start giving me the proper setup. The setups were there, but what happened is that they were moving big and my setups were coming outside of my threshold value. Right? My threshold is 60 pip. So they were like 90 pip or 100 pip. So, I'm not taking it. So that's how it is, right? All right. So I'm going to leave now and we'll come back with more updates. Hello, everyone. Sam is there again. I came back now. I'm coming back after 7-8 hours, right? So I started this video 11 o'clock in the morning, made a couple of entries, USD CAD and Euro USD. And also I posted, actually I tweeted, let's say on the Telegram, I posted here. You see this one here? I said EA making a short, and then EU making short, and EC making long. So EA, what happened that my first entry got knocked out, and then I got in again second, but the second entry, yeah. So on my EA and Aussie and pound was on the other computer with the commodities where gold and oil is, right? So I had a couple of trades over there. Let me show you what happened to this Euro USD. Got knocked out. It dropped here, sitting on the break even, and boom, it's gone. So this one again gone. SL hit with on a break even. Now USD CAD, it went up 50, 55 pip. Then it came back down here very close to my SL. and now it is going back and making a long setup again, so it might go up, and I'm going to hold on to it on on the basis of the chart that I just showed you yesterday. That I mean last time, that I'm expecting USD to get strong, and it is getting strong, so that will send this USD CAD to the upside, and Euro USD and Pound USD to all of these four pairs to the downside. So that's what I'm expecting. So tonight I'm gonna be hoping that, and the one that Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, not the Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, sorry, but Euro Aussie and gold. This actually not gold. This is the gold was the other. This is the US dollar, US crude oil, right? So this is crude. I'm mixing up with the gold. The gold was earlier, but this is no. This is actually what? Why am I confused here? Okay, I transfer that. This is the EA trade from the other computer. 125 pip that I closed, sell order, just closed a little while ago. The second entry, the first one got knocked out of the break even. On the third, there was a gold. See, this was a gold. I got confused. That was an oil chart from yesterday. But this is a gold trade today, and beautiful entry here. And it is from 1838 to 1847. So that is also closed. And I'm going to let the USD CAD run for now. Okay, and see what happened. I'm probably like 3 pip loss or something like that, 3 pip risk, 2 or 3 pip behind, right behind my entry sitting there. Euro USD entry is gone, but it is making a new entry, so I will take it if it will happen. If my alarm beep, I'll take it. Okay, because again, the US dollar index and the euro index, see, the euro index is this. So I made the chart that is going to come down, and it is coming down very nicely. All right. So if euro is going to drop, then let me show you that this is, by the way, this is the Aussie strength that took the euro Aussie and pound Aussie down. I missed the entry in pound Aussie, but I took the euro Aussie. Here you can see this, what happened to this US dollar index. It started to go up, pulling back a little bit, and then it might go up again. Euro index, this is what happened. So it started dropping. That's why Euro Aussie went down as well. Euro is getting weaker, Aussie is getting strong. So you got the picture now, right? And Euro USD also coming down. It started to come down. Let me show you where's the Euro USD current chart now. Yeah, see this one, right? So it went up a little bit, but now it started to come down, but it's hesitating right now, right? So that's why it went down a little bit, and then it went up from my entry, right? Yesterday it came down a lot, but right now it's just taking a little retracement and a breather, and then probably in London session is going to drop again. Okay, so it need to drop a lot. So I'm going to get in the Euro USD again. But for now, I'm going to close this video, and then in the London session, I'm going to go to sleep. I'm really tired. Right? The USD CAD is running, and I'm sitting almost like on break even. So that's it. Fine. Thank you. 125 pip I got from the Euro Aussie, and the gold trade was a very good gold trade too. Excuse me. So that was the day on the January 3rd. Now let's see what happened on January 4th. Okay, so closing this video now. I mean, it's been going on for like what, 12 hours now. All right, so and then I'll restart a new video for January 4th. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.